All right, a quick question. Have you ever been sitting in a class trying to solve a division problem and suddenly you are like, 7 के table में 56 कब आता है? And you start counting it on your fingers like 7, 14, 21, 20, and so on. And by the time you reach the answer, the teacher has already moved on. Yeah, I've been there too. And that's exactly why we need to talk about dodging tables. Now you might be wondering that what are dodging tables? What's even that? It's a great question. See, we all know multiplication tables, right? Like 2 into 3 is 6, easy peasy. But dodging tables are asking the tables randomly. Like if someone asks you very quickly that what is 13 into 4? So instead of counting forever, you should instantly know that it's 52. Trust me, once you master this, multiplication problems become a piece of a cake. And now you might be thinking, अरे multiplication तो calculator से हो जाता है ना? So why even we know that? True. But here's the thing. Exams में calculator allowed नहीं होता. Fast calculation से time बचता है. And जो quick answer देने के बाद जो confidence है, that is completely next level. So you have to take it as a skill of learning the dodging tables. Plus, dodging tables aren't just for giving answers in the class. They help with factors, simplification, and so many other topics. So basically, it's a skill that keeps helping you again and again. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you the dodging tables in an easiest way possible. And we will cover quick mental maths technique, practice patterns, so it becomes automatic. And yes, we will make it fun, not boring. No pressure, no confusion, just step by step clarity. Look, I know this may feel tricky, and dodging tables might sound like one more thing to memorize. But here's the good news. You already know your multiplication tables, right? अगर आप tables जानते हो तो dodging भी सीख सकते हो. पक्का promise. So grab a pen, get ready to practice along with me, and let's make dodging tables your new superpower. And by the end of this video, you won't be afraid of dodging tables anymore. You'll be crushing it, trust me. So ready? चलो शुरू करते हैं और समझो maths and जीतो confidence. Come on, my maths ninjas. So let's begin to understand the concept of dodging table with the help of examples. So if you have been asked to calculate what is 12 times 3, so how we have to understand, how do we have to calculate that? Let's understand first. So 12 into 3, what you need to do is, like I have to multiply 12 with 3. So what I'm going to do is, I will just write 3 and just write a 0 after that. So if I have to multiply by 12 into 3, so I'll write 3 into 10, that is 30 plus. Now we know that is what is 2 into 3. So we know what is 2 3s are? It is 6. And hence the answer would be 30 plus 6, 36. That's it. You get the answer. Let's take one another example. Let's say I have to multiply with 13 into say 4. So what's the simple step? What we have to do is, first I will write 4, 0, 40 plus. Then I have to write 3 4s are 12. And now simply I have to add 40 plus 12. Now here I want to explain you one more thing, that rather than asking, doing the calculation with the column method, now don't do like what is 40 plus 12. Here also we have to be very specific in quick calculation. Now what I mean by that, like when you have 12, don't think like it's just like a 12, think it like pair like 10 plus 2. So what we can do is 40 plus 10, that is 50, and 50 plus 2, 52. So that will save your time. So that addition also needs to be done in the mind itself. So let's take one more example. Let's take a bigger number now. Say 16 multiplied by 6. So what is the first step? I have to multiply by 6. So I will write 60 plus what is 6 6 are 36. The same concept, 36, treat it like 30 plus 6. So 30 plus 60 is 90. 90 plus 6, 96. Isn't it so cool? Now, again, since I'm explaining, I'm taking a time in explanation here. But when you will be doing a lot of practice, it will be very, very easy for you to do that. So let's take one more example. That is 18 multiplied by, say, 5. So what that going to be? So it is 50 plus 8 5s are 40. And the answer is your 90. Let's do it a little quick now. So let's say 19 multiplied by 3. So let's be quick. So it is 30 and then 9 plus 3, 27. And the answer is 57. So this is very, very simple trick, students, but make sure you do practice these problems, and you can take 5 examples, and otherwise you can comment me in the comment below. I will share one worksheet with you and you can write how much time it took you for doing the calculation. So stay tuned for such amazing videos and I'll see you in further future videos. Keep learning, Samjho maths and Jeeto confidence.